What's up guys, Paul here, and today I'm going to show you how to replace your Yeti latch. The rubber latches that are supposed to be indestructible. Well, my teenagers have torn one off. Looks like this. So what we want to do here is replace this latch. I'm going to go ahead and do that one too. I got some aftermarket. This is a Beast cooler accessories off of Amazon.com, and we're going to replace it, the old with the new. So what we want to do here, we want to get a flathead screwdriver and get in between the face of this pin here, and the pin's just going to slide out. We're going to pull this out and replace it, and then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. If I can set you guys up right here. We'll see. Oh, falling down already. Yeah, let's just do that. Dirt on my hammer there. Alright, so we got our shaft coming out. Grab it with our claws and just pull. There you go, guys. Just like that. So the ball is going to face down. We're just going to put it in place here. Wiggle as we push, tap it back in. Boom. Alright, so we got one more side to do. Grab our Beast Coolers accessories, blue replacement lid latch. This is off Amazon.com. Remember, ball goes down. It's going to go like this. We're just going to get in between the head here on the shaft or pin. We're just going to pry it out. Pry it out as far as we can go. Then I'm going to take my claw on my claw hammer. Just pull it. The old one drops out. We're going to bump this pin in. Line it up. Knock our new pin in. Excuse me, put our pin back into our latch here. There we go. Pretty sweet.